Kingfisher. Kingfisher belongs to a family of Alcedinidae and has three other families like Alcedinidae, Halcyonidae and Ceralidae. This beautiful bird belongs to the families that contain rivers, trees and water kingfishers. There are about 90 species in kingfishers. These are mostly found in forests in tropical regions. They generally feed on fish and a wide range of prey. They love to live near rivers to eat fish. Their nest will be in cavities, tunnels dug into artificial banks in the ground.